Today we're practicing simple English you can use in the kitchen. We'll learn 5 common ways to cook meat and the vocabulary that goes with each one. Let's practice simple English for cooking meat. Here's the first one. This method uses a skillet on the stove. I pan-fried the steak. Say it with me. I pan-fried the steak. You use this when you cook meat in a hot pan with a small amount of oil. Next one. This is a popular way to cook meat outdoors. I grilled the ribs. Repeat after me. I grilled the ribs. You use this when you cook meat on a grill over direct heat. Here's another common cooking method. I roasted the beef. Say it with me. I roasted the beef. You use this when you cook meat slowly in the oven. Next one. This method takes several hours. I slow cooked the pot roast. Repeat after me. I slow cooked the pot roast. You use this when you cook meat at a low temperature for a long time. Here's another way to prepare meat. I cooked the beef skewers on the barbecue. Say it with me. I cooked the beef skewers on the barbecue. You use this when meat is placed on skewers and cooks over a barbecue grill. Today we practiced 5 ways to cook meat. I pan-fried the steak. I grilled the ribs. I roasted the beef. I slow-cooked the pot roast. I cooked the beef skewers on the barbecue. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next lesson.